In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Claude AI step by step. By the end, you'll be able to create and organize Notion pages just by asking Claude, and you'll understand the permissions involved so everything stays secure and tidy. First, open Claude in your browser and sign in. You can start from any chat. What matters is getting into your account settings. Look toward the top of the page and open Settings. If you don't see it right away, it's typically behind your profile picture or a gear icon. Inside Settings, find the Connectors section. Connectors let Claude securely talk to other apps you use. This is where we'll link Notion so Claude can create pages or add comments on your behalf, but only with the access you approve. Choose Browse Connectors to see the available integrations. In the search bar, type Notion, then click Connect. You'll be redirected to Notion to sign in and confirm the connection. Select the correct workspace and carefully review what you're granting. Claude only gets access to the pages or databases you allow, and you can limit it to specific pages if you prefer. If you're unsure, start narrow and expand later. You can always update permissions. When Notion asks for permissions, make sure you allow it to create comments. This enables helpful context, like Claude explaining what it added. After the connection completes, return to your Claude chat and test it with a clear prompt. For example, ask Claude to create a new page in Notion with a specific title and some bullet points or a short outline. Be explicit about where you want the page to go. Mention the database or parent page name so Claude places it correctly. If you see a message that a page or database doesn't have the right permission, simply click Allow when prompted. This usually appears the first time Claude tries to write to a specific page or database that wasn't included initially. Approving that prompt links the integration to that location. If needed, you can repeat your request after granting access. That's it. You've connected Notion to Claude. A quick recap. Open Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, browse for Notion, connect, and sign in. Allow the requested permissions, and test by asking Claude to make a page. If anything is blocked, click Allow to grant access. For peace of mind, you can review or disconnect the integration anytime from the Connectors page. And for best results, use clear prompts that specify the page or database, the title, and the content you want.